instead of grating cheese, we have our high-tech own. Right? So, we already put our spaghetti sauce, and it is not covered. So, next is the tomato sauce.
Yes, it's Del Monte.
Yeah!
Wow! It's really suspense, right?
Also, we have at least 5 parts of this cooking.
Yeah. Can you have...
No, wait.
I'll just remove it.
You put...
You know what? I'm sorry.
You put water.
What?
There, but just a little. And here also.
Why?
So, malawlawan.
Okay, you be first there.
See? Oh. It's so saucy. I think we should just put the tomato sauce. Out.
My hand is full of
Baka napakadami. Meron din yan.
Meron din. Ano lagay ko?
Sige.
Ay, tubig na lang pala yan.
Okay na yun. Masyadong sauce.
Hey, so look at my hands.
She's messy and
Sweater. So,
patayin muna natin.
pindutin mo yung